How to fix Snapchat sound not working on iPhone? Well, to fix Snapchat sound issues on an iPhone, you want to immediately first check that your iPhone is not on Do Not Disturb mode or is not on silent mode. And if you have the silent button available on your iPhone, you want to make sure it's not on silent mode. Once you have checked that out, you also want to check your microphone permission is enabled in settings. So if you head into settings and if you head into apps, once you head into apps, you can find the Snapchat application from the list of apps and open it up. And here you'll be able to see microphone. Make sure that you have enabled it. If you're having sound issues, you also want to make sure your volume is not all the way low or that you're not connected to any Bluetooth devices. So toggle that Bluetooth off and make sure of it. So that should be it, and that should fix the issue. If the problem persists, it can be the app glitcher issue. You can head into App Store and then update your app to the latest version, or if there is no any update available, you can force it by reinstalling the app. Hope this video helped you. To like and subscribe.